Hello and welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to upload more than one printing areas. So as you can see, this is a test product where there is only one side, and if you add a graphic you can see that this is only applicable to this side. So suppose I want to have a printing area in the back side also of this t-shirt. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the product edit options and then scroll down. You see in the product setup for design tool area we need to add another side. So suppose I name this side the front and this side the back. So in the advanced settings and here in the grayscale area you'll upload the back side. I have the back side ready here. I'll upload the back side, and in the print area click change / upload and upload the print area you want to put there. So I have the print area. You open it and then you adjust it according to your product size. After adjust it to your product size, you name this part back or any other name which you prefer, and then click save. If I go to the designer view, you can see now there are two sides, front and back, and if you want to add any graphic, suppose this graphic, I can then add to this area. And you can also change the side, and if you want to add a front graphic you can also do that. So this is how you can put multiple sides with multiple print areas for customization. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.